Gathered here for the formal launch of the EcoExcel initiative are the Lagos State Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwo-Olu, staff of the Ministry of Education, staff of the State Universal Basic Education Board, Committee of Wives of Lagos State officials, White Cap chiefs, teachers, and education stakeholders in Lagos State.
I enjoy all the programs effectively deployed as we learn at the training program in order to make the classroom more engaging for our pupils. Those guys will be left behind. You must carry all your pupils along irrespective of their individual differences and capability. We will continue to seek the support and cooperation of the Lagos State House of Assembly to ensure that the necessary legislative framework is put in place to guarantee the sustainability of the EcoExcel beyond this administration.
It will be recalled that last year, the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board, LCBEB, began the training of primary school teachers on the use of modern-day technology to enhance teaching efficiency.
EcoExcel will ensure 360-degree impact. We are going to affect teachers, pupils, parents, administrators, and management. We are going to touch and transform the entirety of the state because of this our efforts. You see how great you are? Never let anybody let you forget that teachers are the greatest.
Various quotes and songs of positivity and growth came from the teachers.
Happy dog! I'll change your body. Men and women, Mr. Governor, Sanwo-Olu, the deputy, Mr. Hamza, my chairman, teachers, everybody, good job you. Now the next chair is the super chairs. At my signal, are you ready, class? The super chairs. You are giving it to the governor. Give it to Mr. Governor.
In a speech, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu reaffirmed that education is a vital tool to any economic emancipation that will engender national development.
The role of teachers and their influence in the life of every child within the context of emerging reality cannot be overemphasized. Teachers are like the beacon of light, guiding us in the formative years of our lives. What we learn from them remains with us throughout our life. It is therefore with great honor and privilege that I join you today, all my dedicated, hardworking, resilient, and great teachers of Lagos State, who have successfully completed the improvement training program of the EcoExcel Pre-Service Professional Development and Technology. This initiative conceived, designed, and funded by our administration to drive excellence in learning for about 500,000 pupils across our over 1,000 public primary schools in our state. This massive investment in teachers' capacity building seeks to reposition public education, improve the method of teaching to meet the standard of the 21st century, and restore confidence in public school system.
The training, codenamed EcoExcel, an acronym for Excellence in Child Education and Learning, is aimed at upscaling teachers' development for global competitiveness.
EcoExcel is an acronym that connotes excellence in child education and learning. It is about transformation of the education sector. It is about digitizing and digitalizing our system, our operations, the way we operate in the sector. It is about classroom management and school management. It is about making the class more engaging and more interactive. We want our pupils to be globally competitive. We don't want to raise only the standard. We equally want to raise the bar. And in raising the bar, they must be able to impart all those knowledge you have learned in those training to the pupil.
One of the targets we have given our technical partners is that by the end of primary 1, every child will be reading. Every child will be able to read. And once we have mastered the basic literacy skills, then they will be able to push on through and do very well in school. Teachers, congratulations for being part of this noble profession. God will help you on your pathway. What you are learning now, put it to practice in class and make the lives of children better.
Greater testimonies will come out of this program through our children, through our teachers, through the parents and the community at large. By the grace of God, we have changed the story of basic and primary education in Lagos State.
We have fully digitalized now. We have moved from the old ways of doing things now to the modern way of doing things. You can see all the teachers are happy. Everybody is happy because today is very significant.
This is just a starting point for them. They should take this and they should run with it. Whatever EcoExcel is doing for them, they should add on to it and ensure that their students are always engaged. I will encourage them that as they've started learning, they should commit to become lifelong learners as they expect their own students to be as well.
It is expected that students in public primary schools are impacted through this initiative for better academic performance.
From what you have done so far, it's already working. It's already working because it has reduced indiscipline. It reduced lateness to duty. It improved punctuality. It reinforced teachers to show more commitment to duty. Because they monitor.
I can tell you that now it is getting better and better. Our trained teachers will be able to deliver to our people now better and quality education. The introduction of digital aspect of education is a great improvement in education in Lagos State. As the chairman of Head Teacher in Lagos State, I encourage them to improve in their performances to ensure that whatever they've been doing is in line, in tune with the intention of the government of the day.
I feel very, very great because it has been a joy. I really want to thank our governor. I want to say a big thank you because he has made us to be a digital teacher, a modern teacher, and it has helped us a lot.
We are now digitalized and modern teachers. I believe with this training, it goes a long way in helping not only I as a teacher, it only helps the pupils to learn and it motivates them to learn. The pupils will be ready to learn. Intrinsic motivation, we don't need to start forcing them to learn again. They will to learn on their own. It helps them a lot and it helps the teacher as well. Likewise, the state, it promotes the education in Lagos State to the next level.
I participate on the catering job and I discovered that universal basic education in Lagos is fantastic, and I will want to encourage our government to keep it up like this, because while we move up like this, that means Lagos is moving forward.
I want to say a very big thank you to the governor, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, for this opportunity given to me as to being a model teacher in this season. Because in these 2 weeks we went for the training, I can say categorically that there's far difference from what we are using to teach then and now.
EcoExcel is poised to developing more highly skilled teachers through training, supporting and motivating existing government teachers to succeed in their classrooms. The program is expected to train and retrain over 14,000 government teachers across the state using technology-driven devices.